Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be knocking out an issue with the vacuum pump. So here's the symptom. It's a sound coming from under the hood. Let's pop the hood. Coming from over here. So I already know where it is, but I wanted you to see this issue so you know what to look for. So we're listening for a sound coming from down here. Behind here is a vacuum pump, and it applies pressure all the way up through here, through here, all the way over to the brake booster and behind the engine. My problem is right here. I imagine if I can get that sorted, my problem will go away. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off a little bit of this and then try to put it back on. So what I have here, I tried a razor. I have a pipe cutter, and I'm going to try to put it around the pipe and run it around and see if I can't cut it, because what I don't want to do is deform the pipe, deform it. I want it to stay round. I want it to be round. So let's try the pipe. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is use my heat gun. Y'all might see it as a hair dryer. I see it as a heat gun, and just kind of moisten this area up so that when it slides on fairly easily. So heat it up and slide it on. Okay, keys back in. All that banging. No noise. So I ended up using a gas line for the golf cart and some band clamps, O-rings, whatever, I don't know. That fixed it, so I am good. I don't like this fix, but it fixes the noise. So I'm good with that for now. I will try to find whatever part that is that goes behind this box down into the canister behind this panel. Anyway, YouTubers, quick fix, not a permanent fix, a quick fix. Anyway, if you like the video, like the video.